In this video, you'll learn how to quickly and easily turn a Canva doc into a PowerPoint presentation. To begin, select the doc option so you can work on your document content within Canva. Next, select your main text to prepare it for editing, and open the editing tools to make any necessary adjustments. Use the favorite icon if you want to easily access or save this document for later. Open canva.com in your browser if you haven't already, making sure you're using the correct tool. Now, click the magic switch button to start transforming your doc. Then, drag the transform arrow to change the format or layout as needed. Once it's ready, type into the transform field to set your desired output, such as a presentation, and select the presentation outline option to guide the conversion. If prompted, try features with a free trial or select additional options to enhance your presentation, like expanding content. Then, share your content or try the page setup features to make sure your download looks just right. Finally, select resize if necessary. Enter text or choose suggestions, like an executive summary, to refine your presentation before exporting. You've learned how to convert a Canva doc to PowerPoint. See you next time!